Welcome back to Motor Future, the channel where we explore the machines shaping tomorrow's roads. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda CMX1100T, a bike that blends old-school cruiser DNA with modern performance, technology, and a healthy dose of touring capability. Whether you're a weekend rider looking to rack up miles in comfort, or a cruiser fan who craves something that feels both classic and cutting-edge, the CMX1100T might just hit the sweet spot. At first glance, the 2025 CMX1100T holds onto the same rebel silhouette we know and love. But there's a twist, literally. This isn't your laid-back city cruiser anymore, it's a long-haul beast now prepped for tour-ready performance. The T in CMX1100T stands for touring, and Honda means business. The large fairing and integrated hard panniers give the bike a true touring profile, and the matte finishes with subtle badging keep it tastefully aggressive. The aesthetic is minimal but powerful, with blacked-out components and sculpted bodywork that give it a stealthy presence on the road. Under the hood, or rather, under the tank, lies a liquid-cooled 1,084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, borrowed from the Africa Twin, but tuned specifically for the Rebel's cruiser character. This powerplant pumps out around 86 horsepower and 98 Nm of torque, making it deceptively quick, especially from mid-range to top-end. Power delivery is smooth and torque-rich, perfect for overtaking on highways or pulling away effortlessly at traffic lights. The CMX1100T feels alive beneath you, always eager to respond, but without being unpredictable. A big part of that smoothness is thanks to Honda's dual-clutch transmission, the DCT, which is available on the CMX1100T. This clutchless, fully automatic system can be a game-changer for long-distance riders. It offers seamless gear shifts and takes away the fatigue of constant clutch use in traffic or during extended rides. Riders can let the system do its thing, or switch to manual mode using paddle-style selectors on the handlebars for a more involved experience. It's a brilliant blend of comfort and control, something few bikes in this segment offer. The ride quality is another highlight. Honda's engineers have equipped the CMX1100T with a high-quality suspension setup, a 43mm front fork and dual rear shocks with piggyback reservoirs, which soaks up bumps confidently. Even when fully loaded with gear, the bike remains composed and balanced, whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising down the highway. And the low seat height of just 27.5 inches makes it accessible to a wider range of riders while still offering solid ground clearance. Touring comfort is front and center here. The new Batwing-style fairing isn't just a cosmetic touch, it offers legitimate wind protection, reducing fatigue during high-speed rides. The integrated hard panniers, color-matched and lockable, add both practicality and style, with a combined capacity of around 35 liters. These aren't afterthought accessories, they're factory integrated and feel built-in, not bolted on. The electronics suite is just as forward-thinking. The CMX1100T comes with ride-by-wire throttle, 3 standard riding modes, Standard, Rain, and Sport, and a customizable user mode. These modes let riders tailor throttle response, engine braking, DCT shift points, and traction control sensitivity. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, also comes standard, helping maintain grip on slippery or unpredictable surfaces. Add to that cruise control, yes, standard. And you're looking at a cruiser that's built for real-world touring, not just short weekend jaunts. Braking is managed by a single radial-mounted front disc with a 4-piston caliper, and a rear single disc, both with ABS. While it may not seem overpowered on paper, in practice, the braking is well-tuned and confidence-inspiring. The weight is manageable at around 520 pounds, 236 kilograms, for the DCT version, and the center of gravity remains low, making low-speed maneuvers surprisingly easy for a big twin cruiser. Ergonomically, the CMX1100T is well thought out. Mid-mounted controls and wide handlebars provide a relaxed yet connected riding posture. The seat is plush and supportive for long rides, and there's enough room for a pillion to ride comfortably, though the real focus here is solo touring. The minimalist LCD display is easy to read even under harsh sunlight, and while it's not full color or flashy, it's functional and keeps the cockpit clean. Honda also nailed it in terms of refinement. Everything from throttle response to build quality to switchgear feel screams precision and reliability. This is the kind of bike you could take across states with zero hesitation. And thanks to its chain-final drive and proven engine, the maintenance costs remain relatively low for a touring-capable machine. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Honda CMX1100T starts at approximately $11,499, which is incredibly competitive given what you're getting: a torquey engine, DCT option, factory panniers, fairing, modern electronics, and Honda reliability. That price undercuts many other full-size tourers while offering comparable or even superior comfort and performance for the long haul. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Honda CMX1100T doesn't just expand the Rebel lineup, it redefines it. It's not trying to be a Harley or mimic an old-school bagger. Instead, it takes a fresh approach to what a modern touring cruiser can be. It's fast, smooth, tech-savvy, and deeply comfortable. Whether you're new to touring or looking for a lower maintenance, more nimble alternative to heavyweight V-twins, the CMX1100T might be the perfect fit. Let us know what you think in the comments. Is this the kind of cruiser tourer hybrid you've been waiting for? Would you pick the DCT or go with a manual transmission? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dive motorcycle reviews only on Motor Future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.